Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq guides, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Ooh, yeah. Hold your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers.
And Q, and that's ES. See how ES was kind of flagging, pennanting, whatever you want to call it, trading in a range higher. Hey, Omnius.
Good morning.
Hey, doing it, but to the opposite side. But with that being said, we're both near the low end of the pre-market range. We'll watch the pre-market range. Nothing to do on the 1 minute, 2 minute. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, and get gold back up. Good morning. It's all yours. The mic is yours. The floor is yours.
Good morning, Miss K. Good morning, Trish. Good morning, Mike. Good morning.
Sound check.
8 minutes remaining to open. Yeah.
Stop filled.
Stop filled. I got stop filled.
Yep, I heard it. Mic check. We gotta do mic checks. Oh man.
Shit. Now you guys know I have losing trades. Damn it.
You have losing trades.
Damn it.
Oh my god.
The jig is up.
I cannot talk to somebody who loses trades. Eek. Mr. Mike from Futures Floor.
Mm-hmm.
Speak.
Oh, I thought you were saying Sapik. I thought you had someone in your
There
channel
we
called
go.
Sapik.
There we go. We got you.
Hello, Trish. Hello,
I'm there. You're there.
50.
Trish, let's get you in the giveaway game for the qualifier. Type exclamation mark giveaway.
Come on, man. You know it's been changed.
What's it? What is it now?
Giveaway question mark.
Giveaway question mark.
Giveaway?
We'll get you in,
should I load?
in for the giveaway. What is it this week?
Hey.
Bullinox, right? 50K Bullinox account?
Yeah. So they gave me my past account, yesterday,
Yeah.
but they removed my account that's failed. So I'm going to send them an email. They said, don't submit a ticket. We're going to take care of it. I guess, how long do I wait to not submit a ticket? How long do I give them to take care of it? I mean, if you have like 200,000 accounts, I don't even know how they handle that kind of administrative nightmare. Seriously. You have any ideas? Do you have any clarity on that?
I have no idea. You think they would want people to submit a ticket so they know?
Whoo, that would be a shit ton of tickets.
It would be a shit ton. So I don't know. What a nightmare, right?
Yep.
This is why we don't have prop firms.
It must have cost them.
Why we don't do prop firms. Oh, they lost a lot of money yesterday.
Millions, billions. Who used to say that? Billions, millions. Is that Bill Nye, the science guy? Again?
I don't know.
Billion. No, Carl Sagan. Carl Sagan, that's it. He used to talk about, I think, the stars or the galaxies or something.
Did Trish put in for the giveaway? No? Trish, put in a giveaway question mark.
I don't like that, no.
Let's get you in the giveaway.
Yeah.
Why not, right? We play a giveaway game.
Come on in, the water's fine.
Every day. And do some qualifiers, and on Fridays we give away an account.
No sharks at all. I don't want to traumatize you, but you go in the ocean?
Do I go in the ocean?
Yeah, well, you, your family.
Yeah, we go in the ocean. You know, Florida's the shark bite capital of the world, right?
You go in up to your neck, or you just go in up to your ankles or knees?
Why would I go in the ocean up to my ankles?
Because Florida's the shark bite capital of the world.
Oh, man, there's hundreds of thousands of people on Florida beaches.
You just answered your question why you would do that.
Next time I go, I might have to take a picture, man. It's so freaking crowded.
Serious?
You can't enjoy the beach in Florida. It's too crowded.
Wow.
You gotta fight your way through the crowd to get to the beach.
Connections. What's going on here?
Mikey, good morning. What am I missing? I'm missing music.
Hey, you cheaters. Oh, no, okay.
Oh, man, Florida, the beach, the springs, the lakes, everywhere, man. You gotta fight everybody to go. If you don't get to the springs like 2 hours early, you won't even be able to get in. Kids like the beach because the water's nice. Wife don't like it because it's salty. What can you do? Never please everybody, right?
Yep. Nice run on gold. The bot is going to go long in 28 seconds. We're pretty extended off the super trend, so I can guess we're going to have some drawdown on this one. Targeting 10 points, it looks like. 12 seconds. Can you stop going up, gold? Boom, boom, boom. There we go. There's the entry.
NQ, we pushed up. We came back to this port a few times now. Pushed up, came back, tried to push again, came right back. Tried to push again, came back.
Two more minutes.
Yeah, man. In Florida, we got sharks in the oceans. We got alligators in the lakes. I guess the Springs probably have both. I don't know what Springs got.
Alligators.
Yeah, they got alligators.
Scary.
Oh, and the jelly. I'm more worried about the jellyfish. Oh, man. Screw the sharks.
Yeah.
You go to the beach, the jellyfish. Oh, my God. Then you're walking down the beach. Sometimes they're all washed up on the beach. Like, step on one. I was at the beach one time a few years ago. Some friends of mine. And there was
They're not all trouble, are they?
There was like these little, like, they were like this big, like squishy things.
Yeah.
I'm like, what the heck is that? And the lady was like, that's a type of jellyfish. Like a jellyfish? The size of like a little golf ball?
Oh, wow. Really small. Yeah, I've seen those too.
I wanted to like pick it up and play with it. And she's like, you dumbass. I'm like, what? I'm like, just told you it was a jellyfish. Like, you were being serious? She's like, yeah. Like, damn.
Yeah, washed up on the beach. I've seen that. The ones that are the size of golf balls. I've also seen the ones that are like kind of the size of the baseball caps, you know, a whole bunch of those.
Oh, they get big. Yeah, they get big.
Oh, stopped out. Let's trade NQ a little bit.
Market's open. My right chart. I only had the right chart open. I wonder I have problems every day. Oh, y'all turn the fan on. I'm cold over here. Wife was crying about her having ice on her windshield this morning.
No. Oh, yeah. Yeah, my wife was complaining too. We had snow. She had to clean the car again. No, we had to clean the car again. We're getting a lot of snow this week.
I need to show her.
This week was going to be a bad week.
I need to show her the video you sent me.
Yeah.
Told Mike about the ice on your windshield. He said, oh, that was cute. I was watching this guy, I think yesterday, and he's talking about flying from Florida to, was it Minneapolis?
Okay.
It says like 8 degrees there. He's like, I went from 60 degrees to 8 degrees in one flight.
Wow.
My chart's different? My charts are different. What the fuck? Not again.
2-minute ORB.
Oh my
Don't
goodness.
form a bias.
Lagging. Are you serious? 25 seconds. No wonder my charts are different.
Wow. Still didn't get that indicator. One day I will.
This is aggravating.
Okay.
I don't know how y'all live without it. Like other than I just seen it because I have 2 charts open. Could you imagine if you only have 1 chart open? Like you're just using NinjaTrader and you believe that that's the price? You know how many people are screaming at their computer wondering why they just got the worst feel ever?
Yeah. 17. Let me see 17. Then I see 10. Very good.
I know it wants to take a trade here. I'm 28 seconds behind. This is...
Okay.
It's not okay.
A little better. No, I did a little better. Let me see gold again. Gold put in to take profit. We'll see what happens with gold. We'll keep tracking it. We'll keep track of gold. Let's get back to NQ.
Missed that winning trade.
Hard to trade two instruments at the same time, I have to say. I don't know if you guys can do it, but I mean, I try. I'm trying to do gold now and the NQ, but
no, I got too much going on with the NQ, especially first thing in the morning. And I got this freaking platform down to 18. Come on. Like you should be able to sue them. Like say I had a personal account, right? And I'm trading like 10 minis. Could you imagine what 25 seconds would do to you?
Yep. I don't think it happens though on a personal account, to be honest with you.
I don't either. I don't see how it could. Like, I mean, you're telling me that like not a prop firm, but trade desk or something, they all use a NinjaTrader and they're 25 seconds behind?
Yeah, no, I don't think so. I think we're all on some kind of second tier, second rate
trading millions of dollars
server, you know. I don't think we're given priority for data. That's my theory. If you know what I mean. I mean, it would make sense.
No, I agree. Completely
Wouldn't
agree.
you serve your real customers on the main pipeline and then
completely agree.
I knew that gold wasn't going to be good. Anyways, it is what it is.
I took another trade. Missed 2 trades. I hate these fuckers.
There's going to be shitty trades. This one's going to qualify as the shitty trade.
I need to send NinjaTrader a nice letter. With lots and lots and lots of words that my daughter hates.
Ah, you make me laugh.
We was watching a movie the other day and the lady in the movie said one of the words, I don't even know, right? She's like, that lady's bad. I don't like that word. I'm like, what word? It's like, it was a bad word. I'm sorry that they said that bad word. You think she'd be used to it, because I ain't no saint.
Wow. We're taking a dump. Did you see gold last night on the open?
Nope. Oh, gold's dumping also.
Insanity. Yeah, it's dumping and I'm stuck in a long.
That's weird. Gold dumping and NQ at the same time.
I'm curious to see. Well, you know what? I'm stuck in a long. This is one of my worst trades in a long time, but it's the Omni-Man bot. Just saying. It's the Omnius inspired one.
Like I said this morning, we broke above this resistance, making it support.
Yeah.
And we came down, tested it once, came down again, tested it again, came down again, tested again. So that was 3 tests. Now it could just blow right through.
It was the name I named. It was the one I named after you. It's never good to name a bot after somebody.
You're always trying to name one after me.
And I've named them after so many people already. Bama, there was the Bama bot, and there's a lot of them. Yeah, whoever's around when I get inspired.
Yeah, but all those people ain't around no more.
No.
You named the bot after them and then they left.
Yep. Good, because it didn't meet their expectations. I don't know what to do.
Me neither.
I guess I'll take a short. You don't know what to do, you take a short and then.
I missed all my trades this morning.
Trading a little bit too big of a size, but what am I looking for? 33, targeting what, 27? Oh, got better than 27 on that one. Okay. Okay.
I can finally trade again, but all the trades are done now.
I need to increase the size a bit. I need to be able to see the numbers. 133 is good. No, it's no good. Can I close this? Do I need to see this?
I need to send NinjaTrader a bill. Now look, you owe me this. Now, every time I say that, I could probably count the times that my trading view data is messed up. You know, like, and that's real data because I pay for the trading view data. But like, every time I say that the prop data gets messed up, people get mad. They don't want to hear it. Like you said, they're not giving us the top tier data for prop firms. You're crazy.
Yep.
You realize that an Apex or a Bullinox account costs about what the data cost? They're not even covering the data. If you got a personal account and all you paid for was data, you'd still pay more than a Apex or a Bullinox. We're about the same. I don't know what a data can be anywhere from like $10 to $100. Unless you're a professional, then it could be up in the thousands. My goodness.
What's that terminal they say costs a lot of money? Bloomberg? A Bloomberg terminal?
I think so, yeah.
There's one terminal they say is like a...
Oh, if you want like a spot at no, it's not Bloomberg.
No, just having a terminal. One of them is a boatload of money.
Yeah. But then you're trying to get like the fastest data and everything.
Okay, so my NinjaTrader, since I updated, is not working properly on my laptop. I think I have to do a rollback. It seems like they did that thing there now with the delay, with the 2-second delay. I'm getting that now in NinjaTrader, which really sucks.
You have U.S. factory orders, 10 o'clock. Don't really think that'll move the market that much, but it could. Be aware. I had jobless claims at 8:30. Wonder if the selling was due to that. Didn't sell at 8:30, but could be off of that news. Don't see the jobless. Okay, there.
Did you see any of my trades last night, though? With the super trend system on gold, they did very well, very well. With the my ATR target was 1.1, 110% instead of 0.4.
Looks like trades down 56 billion. U.S. trades down 56 billion this month. And jobless claims are up. I mean, really, it's only up like 5,000, but saying a different number. Did I see any of your trades last night? No, I did not. I was probably sleeping.
No, but there was a couple early in the evening, and there was also a couple that were also early in the morning, showing the numbers, the entries, everything. I like it. I like the system. It was the first night it ran last night. I ran two last night, actually, on the same account, just to see if they interfere with each other.
Yeah.
They seem to work well. They seem to not get in the way of each other.
That's the super trend system.
Whoa! Yeah, super trend with the Renko. Yeah, so super trend on one chart and Renko on the other chart. Yeah, they both did what they were supposed to do.
Maybe later, tell me what your super trend settings are. I put one on this morning. I've already got a super trend, but I put a super trend on top of the super trend. And I just did the default settings. And I was looking at the faster one for the entry.
Yeah.
And then the longer one be more directional. But using the moving average plus the longer super trend for directional, and then the faster one for more entries. And actually look pretty good, but you know, lately we've been getting a lot of trending markets, so of course it's better conditions for it. Guys, what do we do with this? I mean, it's just straight down. What do we do? We just jump in and close our eyes, or what? What's the method here? I fully believe if I sold it right now, it would spike up 100 points.
Yeah, I just got a nice little scalp. Getting more than I bargained for.
Right, here's an area of interest. It is that value area high for that range pointed out a few days ago.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean it's not like a support or anything. It doesn't mean it would be this area. It's the value area, high area.
I'm curious to see if this level holds over here. If this resistance becomes support. Remember, I've said many times, I'm not a firm believer in, or I'm not a firm user of resistance becoming support or support turning into resistance. I like to see resistance as resistance. You know, like I'm much more comfortable selling as we popped into this level 1,000 times rather than saying that now we're going to bounce off it. But we'll see. And anything can happen. Anything. Yep, anything can happen.
But this is a strong area. There's actually not only just a strong area, there's like
it is
3 different areas here.
Yeah, it's very big.
And it goes all the way back to November. So it's definitely an area of interest. If anybody don't see that, go to the hourly chart or the 4-hour and just zoom out. It's pretty obvious.
Well, as Nemo says, don't be greedy, don't be greedy, just keep swimming.
What?
Just keep going for base hits, Mikey. Don't be greedy. You know why I'm saying that? Because my brain just told me to bring out the fatter bet. Stop trading 4 lots and 3 lots.
You know, my brain told me.
Let's go for a 40. Forget everything in between. What did your brain tell you?
Sure wish we could have taken those trades this morning. That's what my brain said. Sure wish we could have taken those trades this morning.
Don't be greedy. Is it going to get out of this trade eventually? This gold finally? Yeah, I think it's going to get out of it. So it needs to get out of it and reverse. Let's see what happens if it does it. 23 seconds. We'll watch. Still learning the system.
We're down almost 300 points.
Yeah.
That's not even the high if we go from the high.
So we're closing in 2 seconds.
Almost 400 points.
Again, we're a little extended. Okay.
Still not
Made
even
an error.
1% though. These are still baby days compared to some of the other ones. Well, so far, nice bounce off of that red line.
Hey, where is my moving average?
And you know, moving averages are for losers.
No, 1 period moving average. And then
Isn't that what that guy told you?
Yeah. But no, he said moving averages don't work. No, but this, I use it to pin my orders.
Yeah, moving averages don't work so much that they're only like the most used indicator around the world. Yeah, kind of weird, huh? I don't know why people won't just use something that works.
Mm.
And if that guy knows what works so much, why didn't he just tell you? Like why keep the secret?
Yeah.
I mean, if you have the Holy Grail, why don't you just tell everybody?
That's what I said.
Just makes sense, right? Like, imagine having the Holy Grail, but instead of telling people, you're just gonna go around and tell everybody what don't work.
That's funny.
It's like the really fat guy at the basketball game yelling at the basketball player. That's not how you do it. Come on over here and show us how to do it then. Come on. Always those negative people in life.
Super volatility, though, eh?
Eh?
I didn't say. You imagined. No, really good
The
volatility.
best part is it's like asking a question, but giving an answer to the question you just asked. Eh?
No, hey, at that point it meant, what do you think? Hey, what do you think? Do you agree? That's what it meant at that time. It has so many meanings.
This is going down, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Are you asking or are you telling?
Are you? Do you concur? Do you concur? Ah, Lord.
We got to reach out to people around the world and find out what their A is.
Ah, that's what the buy limit is. Yeah, it's all those. It's all those. All the above. Do you agree? What do you think? Did you hear me? It's all of the above. I think we're gonna take a dump. I think gold's gonna go into the toilet. It's not able to go higher. Do you have, you don't put cumulative delta or CVD on the on your gold chart, eh?
What gold chart?
You don't have a gold chart?
No, I don't.
Yeah, I thought you always had one, like a backup type of.
I got one on Trading View. It's just the default chart. I don't know. I got RSI on it. I don't use it.
So write me a letter.
I don't know anything about gold.
or Apex, so they give me my account back. Wow, these charts just don't make sense. It's funny how the same damn Renko chart is so different on Apex than it is on TradingView, even though it's at the exact same price. Hey. It's time for a deal me in. We let gold go lower.
What did y'all do to NQ? Mikey, what did you do to the NQ?
I have to do some more automating. Yeah, you and me both. Are you getting errors? I had an error.
Yeah, I need to do some coding too.
I had one error. I noticed it this morning. Just made up for my losses on the YM with it.
I want to work on this super trend bot some more.
Wow, look how far away we are from the take profit.
Took me forever to get this bot to actually work, and then once it started working, I just kind of abandoned it.
Yeah, that is one thing that bots are good for, Mikey. Getting in quick. That's why actually I'm putting in a 1 period moving average, and then I'm going to try and pin my orders to it at a better price, at 20 ticks better. Thought I did it last night, actually. I don't know. I live in an alternate universe. I think I go in and out of different universes. Weird shit always happens. Again this morning. What's going on? I still think gold's gonna hit the toilet. I could be wrong, but I still think gold's gonna hit the toilet.
Didn't it already do that?
I think it's gonna do it again. Wow, it was just insane yesterday, the action in gold at 6 o'clock till I don't know what time. Whoo! It was scary. There was like $40, $50 moves in a second, if I remember it correctly. It was like people wanted to get in and out of 10,000 lots or 1,000 lots, and there was just no volume anywhere to do it.
I just like how every time I look at gold, it's like the price movement, like you get a bounce, right, and it gives a nice little bounce. But then you look at gold and you look at NQ, and like NQ's got all these crazy wicks and might go this way, might go that way. Gold's just like doing its thing. It's like, yeah, I'm going down. What do you want?
I am short at 37. I'm targeting 21.
NQ?
Yep.
You're taking the
that's more than I normally
open
target.
range retest.
Whoa. Come on, 21 and a quarter. I'm right there. You just missed me. You know what I'm getting out, Maj Lamart. What'd you say?
Open range retest.
Oh, no, I don't even have that up on my chart right now.
Really?
Yeah. I missed it.
That was it?
You're right. I didn't even see it. I was just trading it off my top step charts, and the pattern, although it wasn't an opening range retest, it was still there.
No, it was open range retest. I thought that's what you were calling. I jumped in.
Yeah, but no, I took it, but for different reasons.
You said it, and I was like, oh, open range retest. I was like, all right, jump in.
It was a 73%er trade, actually, also, right at the same moment.
Actually, we're trying to break the super trend now. There's the super trend. Fuck, take it again.
My greed is getting out of control. I need to talk to a trading psychologist. Do you know any good ones?
I'm just looking at these take profit 20 points, and it's like it's not even a candle. Like, I don't know. Is that the HER 36? Oh my freaking goodness.
What are we at? 34, yeah. 34, 36, depending on what you're...
Man, this is either a make it or break it day, isn't it?
Mm.
All you guys that bought the evals yesterday for FOMC that couldn't pass them, I guess now's the day to do
I
it.
couldn't trade them. Forget pass them. Couldn't trade them.
Well, now's the day to do it, man.
Yeah.
Hell, if you have two of them, you could do the buy sell thing. You could be passing these all. Pass it, do another one, do another one, do another one.
Why does Lucid say I don't have data? I have
What
no
do you need?
idea.
What do we figure before? You need like 25 points? I mean, put 25 points on your chart and look at how small it is.
Mm.
Every one of these candles is just nothing. I told you should have waited till today to full port that Bullinox account.
Mm.
No, had to do it yesterday and blow it.
Are you talking to yourself?
Yeah.
I didn't full portable. I didn't even trade. I didn't even open Bullinox yesterday. Let's go. Hit take profit. We got to let it go. We let it go to the downside. I mean, when we were losing, we got to let it go to try and win. Let's compress it a little bit. See the buy limit. This is gold. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, man. These are $1 million moves. These are the kind of moves.
$1 million moves?
Yeah. These are the kind of moves where Patrick Whelan posts a video and says, I made $400,000 today. Thing is, if you don't time it right.
Miss K, Lucis says you don't have no data?
Yeah, Mikey? Miss K too? Oh, no, it was just Miss K. See, I did that mistake again with the M and the K and the 1 at the end.
Do you call him Mikey K?
Mikey K.
Mikey up and running? I wonder if some of them, maybe Lucid, like it gets so far behind and they just cut it off or something. The data. Mm-hmm. Remember I was telling you I was behind like 35 seconds or something?
Yeah.
We gotta find that indicator. I mean, if y'all have NinjaTrader, you really need that indicator. Chart lag time.
Market is open.
Wow, look at gold go. I just took a counter trend scalp and NQ, and I said to myself, you know what? That's not a good idea. NQ was showing super weakness. Why would I do a counter trend scalp? One more. Taking a bit of a break after that move.
and the tank's bone dry. Hopes as thin as a West Texas sky. I asked myself what's left to lose. The answer came in a bottle of blues. NQ whiskey, pour it strong, make me forget what's going wrong. When the world's spinning and I can't stand, I hold that bottle like a steady hand.
Still dumping. What a day.
Weird. My gold price is like 40 points away from yours. When was that? I'm out already, 10:03. You might be on the old contract. You might still be on the February contract, Mikey.
We might be lagging.
No, I'm thinking he's on the February contract. That would make sense. Wow. I don't know, Ninja Trader, I did the update on my laptop, and it's, besides the fact that they had all those data problems, having weird problems now. I mean, I just took a drawdown of about $600, but it's not letting me trade. It's not the administrator only message. It's telling me some RMS message. I don't know if you heard the boat horn before over there. Not fun when you're, it's a good thing this is just evals, you know, like I don't want to touch my accounts now. All it's doing is just making me super nervous.
Mm-hmm. I don't know, I can't find that lag indicator. I found a forum talking about it, but it was on Ninja Trader. And it said I couldn't see it because I guess I don't have an account. Weird.
Take me out. Oh, can I trade it again?
Yeah, you trade good.
Yeah, no, there's definitely a problem. The charts are frozen. The data's working, but the charts are frozen on Bullinox. Oh, everybody, be careful. Be careful out there. A lot of people are going to get screwed, and I'm sure a lot of people aren't going to get reimbursed. A lot of people are going to lose major PAs. That's not fun, eh? When an error like this happens, and good morning, Skeletor, and you get screwed on your PAs. Omnius? It's not fun.
Huh? I was watching a video. What's up?
It's not fun when you get screwed on your PAs like that.
Who got screwed?
Because of data errors and program errors and application errors, the platform errors, that's what I mean.
That's horrible. Seems to be a lot of that going on today, so be aware.
Again, yeah. So Platform X had its time, and now
Skeletor, sell everything. Skeletor, the time to sell everything was like an hour ago. Man. Just from there's 450 points. There's over 500. $535 points. I told you, Mike. I said just sell everything, hold it, diamond hands. I didn't sell nothing. What the fuck? Isn't it crazy? Like, how do you get an entry though? It's just straight up. I got an entry. I took the entry.
Boy.
Mike just happened to yell sell, and I looked up, and it was it was the open range retest, and I was like, I thought he was taking the open range retest. I was like, okay, yeah, sell.
And the funny thing is, I was talking to my daughter about selling her computer.
Then it came, so I sold, made a little bit, and then it went down again and broke the super trend, so I sold again, and that one worked out great too. But it's like here's where I was talking about selling tool. So you see this box right here, this line, this open range low. Yeah, I can't draw for shit. Don't worry about it. I had to push up. Right there, Mike was like, sell. I'm like, okay. I guess we're taking the open range retest. And then you see this line right here that's kind of faint. This is the super trend. And then it broke that there. So I sold again there for like 25 points. I had 20, but it looked like it was so close. I don't know. I had to move it. Make it. Okay. I had to move my stop loss. So in order to make my stop loss wider, I had to make my take profit wider. So that's why I moved it. On the chart, it was just so close. I don't know. Missed the move. The good news is we trade futures. There's going to be plenty of moves.
Yeah.
But yeah, that would have been a nice move. And if you look at I know this is hindsight trading, so I'm going to go ahead and put the warning out there first, right? We're talking hindsight. We're all great, perfect hindsight traders. A lot of people make a living off of it. But, really, we was below the moving averages. We was below the super trend. Even the fast moving averages were great. Looking back in hindsight, everything was kind of screaming the sell. Then over here, we broke the super trend again. We got all these gaps pushing down. Once again, that's all in hindsight. In the moment, we all watched the same thing, and all of us said, what the hell can I do with this? Boy, good morning.
You don't make sense.
Trading on tilt. Been watching you fellows for a few days now. I'm liking the channel. Awesome, man.
Hey, trading on tilt.
Glad
nice
to
to
have
see you back. Sorry, Omnius. Did I interrupt you?
I don't think so.
No, it's because you were talking so quiet.
Joker, good morning.
Joker. Star Boys. You know what's good today? Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Starbucks. I don't know what to do. So
Joker, did you sell everything at the open?
No. Miss K, good morning. Star Boys.
No. Days like this, you look back and you're like I just said, in hindsight, it's like so obvious. But when you're in the moment, well, I couldn't have done anything anyways. My freaking chart was 35 seconds behind.
Yeah, well.
I mean, I had, 2 or 3 bot trades. I missed all those. I was mad about that.
I also don't know what's going on with Bullinox. I don't see how a $600 drawdown locked me out of the account. And the message is, I'll read it to you guys if anyone knows it. It's not the administrator only. It's rejected at RMS. Account balance less than minimum affected order. Sell one market. It's not the administrator. It's not the, shout out from administrator only. So it's not that I got hit, whatever. Oh, is today going to be that day in gold, Omnius?
Trading on Tilt says, nice and relaxed, not too much screaming. Mike can scream something. Mike.
We're not doing our job.
Mike, you gonna do your scream?
We have confirmation we're not doing our job. I told you. No, we don't do too much screaming. We do a lot of laughing here. Guys, giveaway question mark. Giveaway? Enter in the
Starboy looking for a quick long.
See how he interrupted me?
Starboy, can I ask a question? Do you see which way the chart's going?
Yeah.
I'm sorry I interrupted you. Go ahead.
I was just saying, hit giveaway. Giveaway? Giveaway question mark to enter in the qualifiers for later. So far we got Mikey getting 2 balls, Miss K 2 balls, and that's all I have.
My turn.
Wow.
Starboy, do you see which way the chart's going? You want me to inverse it for you? I can invert. Look, invert. There you go. I can invert. Winter is coming. Oh, Skeletor. Oh, man. I don't know if we're going to survive. I seen a thing yesterday. They was talking about possible snow. Like, no, we don't do that. What do you mean possible snow? We might be in the teens? I can't do the teens, man.
Today's the day everyone's sucking their profits out of gold.
I might have to go dig in the closet and find another jacket or something.
What's the limit move on gold? Anybody know? These are all things we should know, eh?
Should be the same as the rest, right? 7%.
Oh, yeah. I have no idea.
Like I said, I have no clue. I'm just guessing.
These are things we should know.
Gold's only down less than 1% also, so. Looks like it's down a lot, but remember that it went up a lot last night.
Yeah, well, 7%'s not that much. It's $350. About. Approximately. Wow, look at the moves. Look at the moves. This is so bad for me.
And I could be wrong. Gold could be different, so.
I'm frothing at the mouth.
Where do we go? We open somewhere around there. So 7% would be around 5,000.
Yeah, this is so dangerous, this trading.
I'm looking back and I don't see any way that. I don't want to say that. Never mind.
I swear to God, 90% of the time, the conversation between you and me is like, well, my father passed away, but in the old days, my father talking to his sister, both of them talking about 2 completely different subjects. Me and my brothers used to look at them and say, What are they doing? She's like not even listening to him. She's answering her own stuff. She's on a completely different topic. My dad's talking about what he wants to talk about. She's talking about what she wants to talk
Isn't it
about.
great?
Said,
You
yeah,
asked
it
me
is.
about gold. I was looking at gold. What are you talking about?
I don't know. I don't really even remember if I asked you about gold.
You're the one that asked me about gold. Somebody rewind the tape.
I don't remember. Oh, yeah, you're right. I did. I talked about the limit move.
Yeah, you asked me about it. I answered it, and you said I'm talking about a different subject.
You see?
Scalador, my daughter tells me, let's go up there to Tallahassee and see the snow. And in my mind, I'm thinking, same thing I'm thinking, fuck no. Skeletor, I've been trying to take my kids to see snow. They've never seen snow in their life. So I don't know. If it snows, I might go. I don't know. And you can do really cool donuts in the snow, right? Mike, do you get out there in your car and do donuts in the snow?
No, never. You know what my rhythmic password is, Omnius?
No, but I know an AI that can hack it.
How fast do you think a quantum computer can hack my rhythmic password?
A quantum computer in like half a second?
I wonder if it would be right.
Of course it'd be right.
No, they deal with probabilities. There's a high probability it would be right. Quantum computer just goes through the process of it doesn't get to test it. It only gets to no, I guess it has to test it, right?
All right, let me break it down
right.
for you the best I can, right? When I was watching that thing about the Agent 0. I was watching the thing about Agent 0. The guy hacked a 10-character password. It took him 2 minutes. That's on a regular computer like mine and yours that can only do ones and zeros one at a time. A quantum computer can do it like 1,000 at a time. So you would take that normal, right, 2 minutes, and you would divide it by like 1,000. So yeah, about half a second.
You know, because mine's really a strong password. There's a capital letter, there's a number.
His was too. Capital letters, numbers, all that stuff.
I was being sarcastic. No, I don't have a PDLL on this account. I'm locked out of an account with a closed profit and loss of $400.
Donut holes. Skeletor, how do we get to the donut holes? What's the donut hole? Mike, you making donuts again?
No. Okay, so who needs to trade, right?
Starboy, I see it trying to do your long. Let's watch it, see what it does. We got any kind of... What's that noise?
Farting.
Weird.
I got a stomach ache. From this volatility's giving me a stomach ache.
I think Skeletor's eating donut holes or something.
How do you eat a donut hole? You just stick your tongue through the hole?
There is no hole in a donut hole. It is the hole. Like the little round donut bites. Oh, donuts in the snow. Okay. I was pulling a mic. I said something about doing donuts in the snow, and then forgot all about it. That's great.
If I keep trying, do you think they'll eventually sell a one lot?
Mike, yell to your son and ask him how it works doing donuts in the snow.
No, he's trading though. I think he's.
You ain't got no problem interrupting me when I'm trading.
I don't know when you're trading. I don't see your screens. I don't see your keyboard. I don't see anything. Your trades don't show up on your charts. I'm in the dark here. Let me try again. I have a headache. That's for real.
For real this time?
Yeah, blame my daughter. The fuck did she feed me yesterday? I can't even remember. Oh my God. That's all I said.
My boy had to stay home from school today. And he had a field trip. Like, he don't feel good when he skips a field trip.
We're like a few days away from her giving me broccoli.
I like broccoli. You don't like broccoli?
No, I don't like broccoli, but she wants to give me broccoli. She also wants to do buffalo cauliflower.
Ooh, I like that too. So I'm coming over for dinner. It's all about how you cook it.
Okay, so I'm not trading. I'm locked out of Bullinox. And I don't want to touch my PAs. And I did buy one Apex this morning and I passed it. So
Take your cauliflower and broccoli. Maybe cut up some potatoes, put in there with it.
yeah.
Put some nice season on it. Stick it in the oven for 30, 40 minutes.
There's a problem.
Put some cheese on top. Maybe some hot sauce.
No, not allowed cheese. Not allowed cheese. And the bad thing is she has a little chart on the fridge. Cauliflower pizza. Yeah, they have cauliflower dough. She goes, only 44 days left, Dad. What, we cheat in 44 days? Don't we cheat once a week or something? What kind of monstrous diet is this?
See, I would just rather do the 3-day diet.
And everybody's getting crazy. I don't know. I think as my wife gets older, they're all getting like the fear of God into them, like they're in their last chapters of life. Now she's sending me TikToks of some kind of insulin resistance diet or something like that. Or I don't know. Why would I need that? I don't even know what that is.
I don't know what the doctor tells you.
Nothing. I don't go to the doctor. I hate doctors.
Smart man. I hate them too.
Yeah, what do? They give you bad news. That's it. What's the point of going?
My dad used to hate doctors. He'd always say, I'm healthy till I go to the doctor.
Exactly. Exactly.
I haven't had the best experiences myself with doctors. I go to the doctor, like, don't go out in the sun. I'm like, you need the sun, dumbass.
I don't know. Honestly, guys, tell me, am I stupid? Everyone here tells me I'm stupid.
Guys, don't answer that. That's a trick question.
No, wait. I'm setting you up. There was a lady that we knew. She passed away. She went to the doctor. Market is open while the volatility is just crushing. Went to the doctor, and he told her she had like 4 months to live or something. And then she lived out her last 4 months in the hospital. She didn't know she had cancer throughout her whole body. It just snuck up on her.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, you see, that's what you get when you go to the doctor. I don't want to know. And my family says, you're crazy. You got to know. You got to find out. I said, no. You know what she did? She ruined her last 4 months.
Exactly. There was
probably felt like total ass shit for those last 4 months.
There was a lady used to live across the street over there. And she was kind of old. I mean, she was in her 80s. But she got diagnosed with cancer. It's like, oh, I gotta go to the doctor, just normal checkup. Right? She didn't even know. No symptoms, nothing. Oh, you got cancer. She probably died a month later, and it was probably the most horrible month of life that you could live.
Yep.
I'm pretty sure by the time she went to that first visit till she died a month later, she was probably begging for it. And I just couldn't imagine. Like, what was the point? Did they help her? Did they save her? Like, what did they do besides torture this woman? I don't know.
Gold.
What can you do, right?
Gold has got to be close to limit down. Holy shit.
The market is open.
Market is open.
Yeah, that's what happens. When there's a certain amount of volatility, platform X or Top Step X freezes for a bit, for like 2 seconds, 3 seconds, to prevent you from trading. So, you know, like during the news, you can't trade. That's how they prevent you from trading. They close it down for a few seconds. So that's
gold and NQ's down about 1.5%.
Yeah.
Market is open.
You're just not used to seeing gold dump like that.
This is how it was trading last night.
But isn't it weird that they're both dumping at the same time?
Yeah.
Take another short?
Well, if you guys can take advantage of this, some people are going to make a shit ton of money. Some people are going to lose a shit ton of money, but some people are going to make a shit ton of money.
They halt trades in futures like in stocks. Is that a question? Or I guess it's actually a question mark. Never mind. Yes. Should be 7%. Question.
I know what
they say they do. Let's Google it real quick just to make sure.
Wow. You want to see something?
They say 7%, but I've seen futures go down more than 7% without being halted. So it seems to be like maybe they do, maybe they don't. So I guess somebody's there making the call. Like maybe it's not mechanical. How long? That's not. That's talking about the end of day halt.
Gonna let my bot run. You know my bot's gonna clean up now like nuts, eh?
All right, here's our official answer from Google. Yes, Nasdaq 100 futures feature a 7% down limit. So yeah, it's the same circuit breaker that restricts further downward trading. According to CME Group guidelines, NQ futures hit 7% decline from the prior day's close during specific. Weird way to end a sentence. Okay. 13% and 20% limits apply with trading pause. So I believe the first one, it's not saying how long, but okay, here it is. Hold on. So the first one's 2 minutes. 2 minutes trade, and they do another one at 30. So they do it at 7, 13, and 20. I'm not seeing how long for the other two. I think the second one's like 5 minutes, and I think the third one's, or maybe the second one's 15, the third one's longer. But they'll do whatever they want. Like I said, I've seen it do it before, and they didn't halt it, so I'm assuming somebody makes the call. Probably the chairman of the CME or something.
Yeah. Joker, Bullnox is down. So I'm saying I can't even trade. I lost $400 and I can't trade. I'm locked out of my account.
My Bullnox is open. You mean you can't trade, or?
No, I can't trade.
You could trade a little bit ago. Weird. But account is up 6K. It ain't mine.
Mikey, are you there?
I just took a trade.
Something for you.
My Bullnox is working.
Okay, good for you.
Well, I'm just saying, he's asking if Bullnox is down. Don't you want to know if other people are having problems?
It is down. That's what I said. I can't trade.
Oh. Okay. Why you getting mad at me? Golly, I'm just answering the question.
Yeah, no, it's down for me. You're in a good area. You're not getting downage.
Today.
We're getting downage. I got downage yesterday. You didn't get it yesterday either, I don't think.
No.
Come on.
I didn't get it yesterday either.
Florida's the place to be. Could be a Ron DeSantis thing. Mikey on future screen. No, it's working on my screen.
I think he's asking about the 6K.
Hold on. I just want to open up an order ticket because he said it's not working. Instrument MGC04. Let's put it up there. Let me get another. Add $1,000. I got distracted. Whenever you're distracted with something, now it's going to be a losing trade. See, I told you. What's he asking, Joker? What account is up 6K? Sim 1, Joker. I'm testing my bots. As you can see, this thing is going in and out like crazy. So I'm forward testing 2 bots at the same time, actually. And they're on separate charts. So I want to see if they interfere with each other.
Skeletor, the NQ is only down 1.7%. So it'd have to go down a little over 5% more to market halt.
And it's on gold, in case you're curious. Oh, Mikey, I was talking to you. I was saying something. Yeah, I may have something for you. You may be interested in an idea that you may want to play with or test or whatever. Oh, you don't see it. Shit.
I'll take a break. I'll be back.
Yeah.
I'll be back.
You weren't asking? I don't know what that means. Send it. Well, I'll show you. Or on Discord. No, I mean, I don't care. I'm not a... there's a million ways to trade, man. Here on the Renko chart, you can just see a little bit. It's those blue lines. And this is something I've done a lot. Like right now, I'm trading what I call the big move. But there's no holy grail. We all know that. It's all in the way you frame the trade, all in the way you get out of the trade, all the way you manage risk. It all really comes down to that. But these blue bands over here, I can't really move the chart. I don't want to move the chart because it's going to cause me problems. It's going to cause me stress. When you're broadcasting, as you know, moving everything causes problems. When you touch the band, it's a decent entry because it's very low risk. It's your lowest risk. I'm explaining it horrifically. Let's get an example. Hold on. I'm going to move it. You know what, Mikey? There's no way you have any idea what I'm talking about at this point. There we go. Okay. But let me send it to you on Discord. Yeah, exactly. LOL. Double LOL. Let me send it to you on Discord. Nah, there's nothing. I don't even understand what I was saying. But let me try again. When you get above the blue bands, not the white ones, the blue ones, it's DEMA, the double exponential moving average. So right now we're above the blue bands. If we go down and touch the blue bands without getting under the blue bands, I mean a full bar under, if we just touch them on the retrace and then we get a continuation bar back to the upside, I do that a lot. Like here's a trade right there. You're touching the bands and then you continue up because your risk is so small, because your risk is basically going under the bands with a full bar. So you see how small your risk is, and if you catch a big move, of course, not all the time you do, but the blue bands are showing a lot of promise, better than usual with the band. I call it the band bounce. I have a couple of systems. It's called the band bounce. And we were playing with that for a while. You can catch some really explosive big moves. I mean, many multiples of R compared to what your risk is. So I like the blue bands because they're a little bit more reactive than the ADX VMA or whatever it's called that I'm using. So basically get above the bands, come down, touch the bands, but don't get below them, touch them, and then go back up. What period chart? DEMA. Well, it's a Renko 20, but it doesn't matter. Like I said, there's no holy grail. It's just the theory. And I'm just saying the DEMA looks good, and the period is 200 because it's a fast chart. Yeah, we were playing with that for quite a while. You know, like if, can I compress the chart even enough to show you guys? Let me see where my cursor is. Yeah, right there. You see, that was a band bounce trade right there. So you're risking at most, the worst you can risk is 4 bars. And look how far it's gone at the, you know. Now the question is, are you able to hold it? That's a whole different story. But the potential is there. So there we go. So we just blew right through the bands. There was no trade to the upside. There was no continuation trade with the blue bands to the upside. Now we're below the blue band, so we want to go touch them, pick long, and then continue down. It's even a better entry than the bot that I'm running right now. But I'm going to put the bot back on, and it's going to go short at a good price. Yeah, it's a better entry. The bot takes a little bit more risk. And now I'm not just letting I'm not letting the bot run blindly. 200 period on the DEMA. Yes, Mikey, 200 on the DEMA. Using a Renko and a band bounce, or a Ninja Renko band bounce. They all work really well. And again, the reason why they work well is because you're framing a trade at just the right spot. It's the place where you lose the least. See, there you go. There's a band bounce. Markets are so crazy fast now. But if you'd taken that one, you would have gotten stopped out over there. Assuming you were holding for a long, you know, for a big move. Here's another band bounce, short. What I would do, and what I do is I take a partial at about 2 or 3 bars. And that way I can hold the other piece for free. So there, you definitely would have had your partial on that, and now you're holding your other piece for free. That's the way I used to work it.
I did hear you say do-do. Starboy, you was talking about taking a long. Do you see how hard it would have been to time a long?
Yeah.
Today? And let's see one decent opportunity. Everything else would have just been losing over and over and over.
There was another band bounce, Mikey. I don't know if you can see it before it fades off into the distance. So again, you would take partial. And you can trade them multiple times. The first one is the best, especially if you're going for the big move. Sorry, Omnius. The first one is always the best on the cross, but yeah, you can sometimes get 5, 6, 7 winning trades in a row. Can't run ATM on this. Yeah, you can. Of course you can. Watch. Let's see. Let me get my ATM up. Gold 4100. Okay, so I'm on sim. I just want to make sure. Perfect. And there's the band. Let's get the bounce. No, we went below. Now we're looking to sell. I'm not sure why you say you can't run an ATM on it. I mean, as soon as you enter the order, the ATM, you can run an ATM on anything. I didn't know there's any, not restrictions, but, you know, limitations on running an ATM. Now we're in crazy volatile markets. I mean, this is a very unique situation over here.
Well, like there's some kind of like big news going on or something.
Yeah. Who knows? I don't know what to believe anymore. You know, they have these channels showing all these war stories now. Oh, Iran preparing missiles, and China fired missiles onto a U.S. boat, and The U.S. sunk a Russian submarine. Really? I think if the U.S. sunk a Russian submarine, we would hear about it on Fox or something. You know, like, and so many channels publish these just made up stories. So still, there was no trade there. If you want to take a band bounce on the ADX VMA, you would have gotten one there. You would have had a partial. Anyways, that's it. That's the band bounce theory. It's an entry where your risk is the smallest, because if it goes off onto the other side of the bands, you get out. You know, so here the band bounce held. The band's held. It's kind of like using moving averages, same thing. You know, there's a band bounce now on the blue. See, we got above the blue. Look how beautiful that trade was. Take a partial, let it run. My ninja is not getting data. What are your rules with this? I was plugging things in when you described it earlier. Sorry. Get in on the band bounce. So once you're above the bands, you want it to touch the bands at least. Your best trade is if it can touch the farther band, the band that's the farthest away. Like right now, it's just touching the. But that's it. No more. You know,
Skeletal, I have data. Are you on Bullinox or Apex? Or something else?
There we go. So my rules, Mikey, I would take a 2-lot or something divisible by 2, and I would cover half at about 2 or 3 bars for take profit, for taking partial, and then I would let the rest go. And I never have an answer for you on how far to let it go. That's just something you got to figure out on your own, and it's the hardest question for me ever to answer.
Don't you have a bot for that setup?
Yeah, the band bounce. Yeah, we were using it for quite a while. I like it, especially like I said, if you got the patience to wait for it to touch the farther band, I mean, you're basically risking 2 bars, 2 Renko bars on a trade. This one here now, right there, that's the setup, and it never traded. But yeah, you're risking 2 bars. You're laughing. If it punches through, you've changed your bias. You're now looking for the other side. Now, do you want to take them all? Like, you know, I'm an aggressive trader. So, you know, I'm clicking. But what you can use is a higher time frame filter. So right now on a higher time frame filter, we got the gold 2-minute chart up top there. Obviously, as a filter, we would be only taking the shorts. So you can incorporate that. I never used the higher time frame filter. I'm a gunslinger.
I'm a big fan of the higher time frame. Normally the 2-minute, but as fast as that's going, I'd maybe even do the 1 minute.
This is insane. This is it's not meant for this kind of market. Let me apply my bot. We'll get long here.
And today it wouldn't have mattered. 1 minute, 2 minute, everything's short.
No, today is a day for people to absolutely kill it. If you're in control, you're disciplined, you got your seatbelt on.
And your helmet.
And your helmet, yeah. I don't think I'd be able to do it, honestly. You're seeing huge numbers here, but that's on sim. If you would put me up, well, no, I don't know. I passed an account today, and my Bullinox master account's up 447.
Oh, Bitcoin's dumping also. Bitcoin's down 5.5%.
Price?
84,500. I wonder if that halts at 7%. Oh, Ethereum's down 6.6%.
Yeah, I don't think Bitcoin halts. I think Bitcoin can go down 80% in a day.
I don't know. We might see. I don't feel like Googling it. Somebody else can if they want. What about, don't they have Bitcoin futures now?
Yeah, interesting, eh?
So what's the ticker for that? Does anybody know?
BT.
BT?
Yeah. Could you imagine being locked out from the Bitcoin futures while you're watching
BTC.
Bitcoin? BTC. No, I think just BT or MBT.
This
the
one
micros.
this one says BTC.
No, MBT. Oh, well, you're in Trading View. That's why.
MBT. Yeah, that's the micro, but the regular one's BTC.
Yeah. Okay.
So I can't see it. What do I gotta do? The 5.5. It's saying 5.5%, but then it's saying a week. What does that mean? Yeah, it's down 5.5%. So, wonder what Ethereum would be. Yoto, you know Ethereum features? Maybe MET? Yep, that's it. That's almost 7%, 6.7 now.
Wow, I didn't even know they had Ethereum futures.
I'm wondering, does that halt then? Oh, it hit 7%. Almost 8%. Was there a halt? I don't see it. NQ dumping again. So the indices are dumping. Gold's dumping. What about silver? Cryptos are dumping.
Everybody's grabbing the money. They're taking
Stocks
the money
are
off
dumping.
the table.
But
This
remember,
is nuts. I'm still starting up my Renko bot, so I can only watch for now.
But remember, guys, the bonds are inverse, right? So they're going up, right? No, they're not going nowhere. We can't even get bonds to go up. Crypto's dumping. Gold's dumping. Stocks are dumping. Oh, wow. Microsoft's down almost 12%. Oh, wow. There's the story right there. Guys, we found it. No way. What happened to Microsoft? They have earnings today? Was 28? Yeah, they had it yesterday.
Damn. Yeah, damn. You're going to hear some horror stories from today, but you're also going to have a lot of people coming out
But they didn't dump yesterday. They dumped today. What the
as
hell?
champions.
Their revenues only rose 29%. Oh, my God. Only 29%.
You know what? Let me put the Renko back up. Yeah, so Mikey, just do what I did, actually, because you're talking about the ADX VMA, whatever. ADX VMA, that's it. Put them both up. Put the ADX VMA with the DEMA, and you get to compare. See which one you like better. Me, for my tastes, I like the DEMA better. I find it a little bit more responsive. Give back less, especially because I'm trying to target a big move now. I'm playing with TBM type strategies, the big move. So I don't want to give back too much profit. Of course, the trade-off is you get a little bit more whipsaw back and forth sometimes. Oh, I thought you heard a story when you said you see what's going on.
Who, me?
Yeah, I thought you saw something.
I did. I see Microsoft down 12%.
Yeah, no, I meant the world a geopolitical event or something. Not,
That would put Microsoft at a 26 PE. No way. don't like to buy dumps, but damn, 12%.
Yeah, no. Gold doesn't move like this. Of course not.
It's kind of crazy that everything's just dumping though. And Microsoft 12% on earnings that blew expectations.
Yeah.
Weird.
It's so funny that you can look back in a chart and find days when gold had a daily range of $6. Not long ago either. And now you have a daily range of $300, 50 times as much. How is that even?
Meta's up 7%. Meta's like, I don't know about you guys, but we're still cooking. That's why I love stocks. I always got that one that's like, I don't give a fuck.
I feel like everyone went to the amusement park and I'm missing. But with that being said, at least I know tomorrow my PA and master accounts will still be there. And that's the most important thing, right? It's much more important to protect them rather than to... I mean, if you have a fucking basket of them, it doesn't matter, but... Okay, we can enable the bot again. It should go short now.
I need to go buy some stocks, but I'll be scared to look at my account. I bet I'm probably down $10,000 today. What a day.
Mm-hmm.
And all of that, and the fucking bond still didn't go up. That's crazy. NQ at 2.3% down. Not very often you see something like Microsoft go down 12%.
This is kind of like when I do market replay at like 25 times speed. It's so identical. That's why I get to practice now at it, but in real time. Practice makes perfect.
Mm-hmm.
That was a painful one. Yeah, it's tough when it consolidates around the bands. You can get hurt.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm not bad. I'm only down 1,500 today. What? Let's go.
I got email Apex. I'm not looking forward to that email. I'm not in the mood to compose a long email. And then get pictures, take screenshots. All that for $19, really? Is it worth my time? What are in now, Mike? What are you in now, Mike? Well, now I'm working my bot on a sim account on gold. Oh, we can apply it again. It's in a good location. Oh, a little bit too late. I'm just playing around. I'm finished trading. I passed an Apex eval and Bullinox eval somehow got locked out at a, well, I don't know. So on Rhythmic it shows 400 down. On Ninja it shows 600 down. But anyway, somehow it got locked out. I can't trade anymore. And my master accounts in Bullinox are up. So I'm not touching my accounts anymore. I don't know if you're asking me which accounts am I trading or what instrument I'm trading. So I gave you the whole rundown. Trading gold on sim right now. Not even an eval. Sim. As sim as you can get, even though eval is sim and even sim funded is sim. But this is as sim as you can get. Pure sim. Does gold make another move lower to the 5150s again?
I want to buy more Microsoft, but I feel like this could just keep dumping. Maybe I phrased that wrong. I'm buying more Microsoft. I just want to buy more. Not that I'm not buying. I am buying. I just want to buy more, but I don't want to go in too heavy too quick.
Yeah, gold. Playing with gold. Doesn't say that on the thing, yeah. Oh, yeah, right there. Top left corner. Gold 2-minute chart. How do I only have a 2 lot? Bouncing around up and down at the same levels. My bot is off. If we get back down to the ADX VMA, I don't know. You guys want to see what I'm doing? You want to see how I do it? What I do? How do I do this? Hold on. Give me a sec. Renko. Group unlock. Renko. Move it over. There you go. That's what I'm trading. Lock it. So when we get near the white bands, I'm going to turn on my my bot. We got to get near them because right now if I turn it on, it's going to put me in a long position and the risk is too large. Just trying to catch moves. Continuation. Really, that's all. The volatility, looking at the ATR on golds, come down a bit. Let's see what's going on with NQ. Slow down a little bit. Let's get gold back up. So the opportunity is when price trades near the bands. Right now we're extended. So while we wait, I'll take a moment. If you guys want to check out either Apex or Bullinox, they're both having pretty spectacular sales again. Bullinox 89% off. Apex, I think it's, yeah, not I think, I know. It's 90% off with $75 activation. Both my code and Omnius' code is down below on the streams there.
They have the 75 activation going now?
Yep, I activated one this morning at 75.
Sweet. I mean, that is a nice deal. I'd like to see me more of that.
Yep.
All right, I'm done with what I was doing. Had to go shopping.
Oh my God.
See how fast I do my shopping? Would it take 10 minutes?
Oh, that's what you meant. I thought you meant you actually had to go shopping. My fridge is empty. We're out of eggs. We're out of milk. We're out of bread. We're out of margarine.
No, I send the wife. I send the wife to do that. I go shopping for companies.
She wanted to bring me today. I said no. Today's a day off. I said go out for supper with David. Megan's working, and I'm gonna just take it easy here, quiet. I need to rest my brain. I've been burning the midnight oil a little bit, burning the candle at both ends a little bit too much.
Mm-hmm. I was thinking this morning when I woke up and I seen you was online all night. Like, this guy says he ain't getting enough sleep. Needs to sleep. Here he is.
Yeah.
What can you do?
I thought you were going to talk about the vampire joke I made. Did you have the nerve to call me a vampire when you're always up?
Look, I went to bed at 10 o'clock?
Yeah, you did.
And I didn't want to wake up at 6:30.
Which reminds me.
Damn family wants to wake up at 6:30. And even though there's 4 beds in the house, they have to come get in my bed to make a bunch of noise.
On a school day? That's impressive.
I'm tempted to kick them all out of bed.
Well,
but instead, I'm the one that gets kicked because the little one kicks me. I got kicked in the middle of the night last night. Hard, too. Shit hurts.
You're supposed to be sleeping. You're not even supposed to know when they kick you.
It's hard. It's like she like feels something and is like, I'm gonna kick this as hard as I can. And then she gets so mad when you say something to her. Like, it was an accident. I don't want to kick you. Star Boy, I mean, what instrument are you trading? Mike, what instrument are you trading?
Yeah, I covered that. Gold.
Did you? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we still dumping. Who woke up thinking this is the way the day was going to go?
Not me. I figured there would be some volatility in gold, but not like this. Actually, I incorrectly thought there was going to be massive volatility in gold to the upside. That's what I actually thought.
But it's crazy. It's crazy that
we got close to the. Sorry, we switched sides.
It's crazy that gold's dumping because when the market's dumping like this, everybody takes their money and puts it in gold or bonds. So gold's dumping and bonds is not going up. So where are people putting their money?
I don't know.
Right? The money's there. It has to go somewhere. Rich people don't pull their money out the bank. So it's there. It has to go somewhere. Yep, I think Microsoft just let us sell off. Mike, you want to hear something funny? They send us.
I can use some humor.
They send us out warnings about the temperature. Now the phone's going off, right? And it's like, warning, it might be cold. Do y'all get those?
We do. They're called severe weather warnings.
Yeah. That's what we got. But it's 53 degrees.
Yeah.
I need a degrees to Celsius calculator. What is 53?
I'm going to guess 12.
I don't know how to spell
Celsius. Celsius.
Well, I know that one, but how do you... Degrees, you normally have like a symbol, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. What is 53 degrees in Celsius? 11.6.
That was close.
11.6667. So I guess 53 is the number of the beast in Celsius. So what did you say? You said 11.3?
Me?
Well, yeah. What you said you were close. What did you say?
I think I guessed 12 or 15. I think I guessed 15, but my brain thought 12, but then I went to 15.
Well, okay. Let's round it to 12. So if I say to you 12 Celsius, do you say, "Oh my God, we need a weather alert"?
No. That's don't wear shorts. We wear shorts at 16. Especially coming from winter. When we go into winter and then we hit 16.
Wait, 16 Fahrenheit or Celsius?
Celsius. We'll put on shorts. Or I'll put on shorts. Going from summer to winter, I won't wear shorts at 16 because it feels a little chilly. But certainly it's not jacket weather. It's still t-shirt weather here.
Saying the rest of this week's supposed to get like extremely cold.
Yeah.
But you know that they do the fear mongering all the time, so you don't know.
Mm-hmm.
What y'all been talking about the past 20 minutes?
Who?
I don't know. I wasn't listening.
The weather. We were making small talk about the weather. It's hot outside, huh?
It was cold this
I'm
morning.
done for the day.
I'm surprised it's up to 53 now.
Yeah, Starboy, I'm thinking the same thing.
Done for the day.
I'm really thinking it. 1, 2,
Yeah, it's 11:13.
3, 4.
Go play some games if you want. You didn't do it yesterday.
Yeah, I don't think we're doing it again today. I think I'm doing the same thing.
Okay.
Exactly what I did yesterday. I'm really... I got a whole host of garbage going on inside me. FOMO mixed with I'm happy I'm protecting my accounts, mixed with I gotta email Apex because of the other account, I don't feel like it, mixed with my rhythmic busted, and I'm just not in a good mood again. And I don't want to cause damage. So best just to leave everything where it is, and we'll do the same thing. Everybody who typed in gets a qualifier. So today is what? The 29th. Let me do a paste, and we have Mikey, Miss K, Starboy, and Skeletor. What, Mikey, Miss K, Starboy, and Skeletor. Yesterday was Miss K, Skelly, Mikey, Banks, and Miss K.
Can we do at least one game? I did tell the kiddies here today.
Yeah? Okay. Oh, it's going to take me 20 minutes. But sure, let me close up.
Is it really that much work?
File save. It depends on which one I open up and stuff.
What you gotta do?
Close.
Whatever you think's easiest.
Yeah. Well, don't worry. Let me just see what's up. Mike's got a headache. Oh, that's weird. There's a Chrome open somewhere. Oh, yes, this is opened.
You got a headache because they won't let them eat no food.
That is true.
It does give you a headache. It really does.
I'm guessing I'm on about maybe 3,000 calories since Sunday night so far.
That's not enough.
No, it's not a lot.
Your body goes, that's actually, I mean, whatever your wife and your daughter's planning, but generally they just say that's not good for you. Because your body's like starving. It's trying to keep all those calories. If you're going to do that, you might as well just go on a fast.
Yeah. I'm not in the mood for last man standing. It's crazy how I get in the mood for these things.
Weird.
Like
Prices
really
going up, but Delta's like dropping like crazy. What does that mean?
That means maybe be careful if you go long.
Ain't nothing about this day so far told me to go long.
Okay, let's do one game. Or, you know what? If we're going to play games, we might as well just play them all. So, no free qualifiers. Blame Omnius.
See the
Copy.
Skeletor, see the Delta right there? Just dumping. You see the price going up? And Delta's just dumping.
SP King. Perfect timing. Control V. Starboy and Skeletor. Save and apply. Hello. Hey, SP King, you know what I noticed? I noticed yesterday you won 2 Taurus accounts already. Oh my god, and this week is another one. Oof. They're going to think it's fixed if you win again this week. Yeah, it's strange. They never mentioned it to me. You know, like, oh, hey, he won already. Thought they would have. But no. Boom. Boom. Really? Now the cameras are working? No explanation. I'm just in battle with the second one right now.
Well, I called the kid, but I don't see him yet. Let me go find him.
Okay, in the meantime, we'll run a warm-up. Let's get the warm-up lights on. There we go, warm-up game. And I can do some testing. I didn't put a lot of balls. I think everyone's got singles. Yeah, I didn't double up or anything. Save and apply. I mean, except for Mikey and Miss K, who typed in giveaway exclamation mark question mark before I showed up. Oh, I can enable the bot. It'll take a trade. Let's see if we can. What am I at it? Just out of curiosity. Prop drop. Oh, I didn't make it into the 8,000s. Thought I did. Let's try and get to 8,000. I have to get to 500. Yes, it's a sim account, ladies and gentlemen. Get to 500. So I'm now in break even. 385. Close! 8085. That's a nice number to see, eh? It's too bad it's not real. Profit yesterday in market. Take it back today. Oh, it's tough. It's tough. It's tough. It's tough. I was just saying. I'm still not in the mood to trade. I think with my personality, it's very dangerous. Okay, let's get. That was fun. I played. Warm-up game. Hey, look who it is. It's Mini Omnius. Everybody say, hello, Mini Omnius. Peg spacing, time scale, bounce. Yeah, little Omnius. We're playing last man standing, time scale, color balls, nah. Peg size, 8. There we go. We'll see what happens. What does this look like? Warm up.
Don't go too far.
Say that again. It's just warm up. It's just warm up. Just testing.
Check. You hear now?
I hear.
Kid's been talking. You couldn't hear him?
No, didn't at all.
All right. Hey.
It's weird. No. Did you shut your mic? I don't hear you now either. There you go. You hear me? Give me a thumbs up. Perfect. Okay, let's get it open over here. I don't hear you if you're talking.
I wasn't.
Ah, you were just... You were moving your mouth, huh? You were fooling me. Here, watch. I'm going to do it too. I got to share the screen. Boom. There you go. Okay, are we waiting for your dad? Let me guess. Let me do the... He's in the bathroom.
No, I have to
Is
go
that right?
check. No. He's right next to me.
You can just listen. I bet you can hear. I bet you can hear. Okay, you want a ball? You want to play?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'll give you a ball. We're going to call you Omnius.
Little Omnius.
We're going to have only one market maker.
All right, this one. This one's live. This one's delayed. So look at that one.
Omnius. Boom, 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 boom. Boy, the Mikey and the Miss K throw me off. And SP King is there. Omnius. Nah, Omni Boy. Let's make you Omni Boy.
Sounds good.
Omni Boy. There you go. You're Omni Boy. But you can't win. You can just run interference. Save and apply. Okay. You know how the game works?
Yeah. Last man standing. When you hit stop out, you are out.
You're out.
Yeah.
You have to do it like that. Like baseball. You're out of here.
Get out.
Get out of here. Yeah, that's a good one. Did my camera screw up again? I thought I fixed it.
Huh?
Okay. My camera screwed up. It's okay. Give me 1 second. Boom. Boom. No way. You're joking. Oh, there you go. Yeah, out of here. Okay, yep. So last one, last man standing. That's right. Let's get rid of
literally
warm-up
say
game.
right on the stream.
It does.
Say last man standing.
Okay. I'm gonna hit fire, and then there's gonna be a little bit of a countdown. You're gonna count it down?
Okay.
Okay, we're all counting on you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Omni Boy, no!
Already? Why am I destined to lose everything?
Holy Toledo, Omni Boy. There's a lot of pegs, so it's hard to tell. I don't even know how you floated in like that. My God, there's like 1,000 pegs blocking you, and you found a way.
I was like, I want to die and live. Peace.
Let me change the opacity of the background a little bit. Make it a little darker. There we go. Starboy gone. What do we got left? We got SP King, a bunch of Miss K's, and Mikey.
Mikey? I'm voting on Mikey.
Not me. Another Mikey. Miss K gone. SP King knocking off some of the pegs, getting some good deflections there. Shoots back to the top of the
come
board.
on, Mikey. No, Mikey.
Mikey's on his way out of the board. It's between SP King and Miss K. Who gets the good bounce? Who gets the bad bounce? Miss K's gonna wait for her opportunity to give SP King a bump in the shoulder and knock him into the pit. I already know.
Or she's waiting for the opportunity to get out.
Nah, Miss K. Oh!
I told you.
You did. Is the market going up or down? Okay. We do it 3 times.
Okay. At least I have a chance of winning again.
We are going to run it 3 times. Wednesday. That's yesterday. Today is Thursday, January 29th.
Also known as Friday Eve.
Yeah, also known as Friday Eve, yeah. That is true. Tell your dad that Friday should be pizza day.
It is, literally.
Friday should be official pizza day for everybody. Okay, who won? SP King.
I get pizza every Friday.
Whoa.
Literally.
Boom, 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 boom. Okay,
Yeah, let's
SP
go.
King, file. Yeah, I'm going as fast as I can. Okay, we give it to you again. Oh, wait, did you hit the fart button? He's more on it than his dad. That's not hard to beat, though. Okay, go. Where are you? Are you looking? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, touch your nose. Touch your nose. Hello, where's the camera? Yeah. I tried. Let's go.
4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Boom! Starboy gets a lucky bounce, but doesn't survive the second bounce. Mikey.
Come on, Mikey.
Mikey got stopped out. Miss K
Already?
gets a good bounce.
No.
Miss K,
Omnius
both
boy
of them
now.
are Omni boy. We're left with one Mikey and one Skeletor and one SP King. Wow, with all those pegs, that's a SP King out. Stopped out. Takes the L.
No, Mikey. I told you to win the game.
Guys, the sponsor of this game is Taurus Arena. They're having a special. If you want to go check them out, taurusarena.com. 3 accounts for $17, any size. $17 an account, but you have to enter in quantity 3. If you enter in quantity 1, quantity 2, you're not going to see it. And you're going to say, hey, oop. They're going to say, hey, I thought there was a special. You got to put in quantity 3 or more. And there's an option for end of day drawdown. Which makes it kind of cool. So basically pretty much the same price as Apex. Except you can set it up with end of day drawdown. Skeletor, Mikey really battling it out here. A nice long tennis match.
1v1.
Oh, Mikey, yeah, 1v1. Mikey gives Skeletor a bounce. I thought he pushed him into the pit. But no, Skeletor found a way to survive.
Hey, 1v1 for the W.
Yeah, for the W. Who you picking?
I don't know. I want Mikey to win. But
You know that's not me, right? Whoa, Skeletor does a pass by and avoids the pit.
I don't even know his name.
Yeah, no, that's another Mikey. Skeletor,
Okay.
Skelly. We call him Craig on the stream.
Okay.
Craig. Go, Craig. Mikey almost floated in. Oh, Mikey, you survived.
Alright.
You survived.
Okay, one more game, right?
Yep. That was a long one, eh?
One more chance for me to win.
One more.
Just
Miss-
one more.
Oh my God.
Way to win. Yay!
Mikey. Let Mikey do it. That was a commercial. File, save. Close. Finally! Yeah, look at that. I'm yawning. Okay. This one we're going to do fire. Skeletor makes a beeline
5,
for
4,
the pit.
3,
Oh shit,
2,
there's a whole bunch of
1,
people floating around the
go!
pit. Skeletor, what are you doing?
Skeletor's like, I
Yeah,
want
you just,
to
I don't want to
die.
play. I'm just going to rest my ass on the pit and wait for it to open.
Bo's like, I want to die.
Omni boy, you got a good shot.
Let's
1 and
go.
4.
Am I just versus
Mikey.
2 Mikey
Oh,
and 1
Mikey's
Miss
going
K?
in. Mikey's trying to go in. He makes it. He makes it. He squeezed his butt
This
cheeks,
is
but
my
he got in.
time.
Mikey gives
Oh,
Omni boy
oh,
a bump. Omni
oh,
boy is
oh.
bouncing up and down on the post.
Ah.
Of course, we run it again if Omni boy is the last man standing. Ms. K. Mikey, if you can outlast Omni boy, you got another qualifier.
Nice.
Hunt him. Oh, Omni boy takes it. You
We
gotta
get another
win.
one, boys.
You gotta win.
For the first time in forever.
Hey, as you're singing, the girl's dancing on the stream. Okay, let's do it again. I'll take care of that chance of winning. Tell your daddy owes you $5.
Okay, well.
I bet him that you would win. He said no. We bet for $5. Go. He said yeah. Let's
Spam
go.
fire! 5, 4, 3,
Skeletor,
2,
you're gonna do it
1,
again, Skeletor.
go!
You're just gonna rest on the pit. Oh, thank God, Mikey gave you a bump.
Why do Skeletor just want to end his life immediately? Wait, what if
yeah,
I,
he just hangs out over there. Eh?
Wait,
It's like he's drawn to it.
what if I win twice in a row?
Then your dad owes you $10, and I think Skeletor's hanging out there because I think he thinks they're offering free hot dogs. He's just hanging around.
Hey, it is red like hot dogs.
Yeah, it is.
Like, I don't know why a dog went to molten lava. Thought that would made him red.
What do we got? We got Omni Boy playing in the middle of the board in the danger zone. You see, you're in the danger zone. If you're in the middle of the board, you're in the danger zone. If you're on the sides, you're safe for a few seconds.
Until you hit
King is doing good.
Until you hit the wall and shoot like all the way to the middle. Like shoot.
Say that again?
What?
I didn't understand. Skeletor gone. Miss
Get
K and
out.
SP King. Who's gonna take this one? I'm feeling it's gonna be SP King. I had a feeling it was gonna be.
You had a
SP King.
feeling.
I had a feeling. I had a feeling it was gonna be SP King. Okay, so what we get? We got SP King, Mikey, and SP King. Congrats, guys. SP King. That's true. I remember the joke.
What joke?
SP King. The guy's name is SP King, and me and Omnius used to say, "Are you SP King? Are you SP King?" Yeah, kid. Roll the credits. I was thinking the exact same thing. Roll the credits.
Speaking.
Yeah.
Okay. That
Tell everyone. Where are you still there? Tell everyone thank you for spending the morning with us. Tell them we appreciate it because we do, and tell them that we'll see them again tomorrow morning at 9:15 in the morning. Those three things.
Okay.
Thank you for hanging out with us.
Thank you for hanging out with us.
No, you got to sing it. Thank you for hanging out with us. And we really appreciate it.
And we really appreciate it.
And what was the other one? Hit the like button. Gotta hit the like button.
Gotta hit the like button and click the subscribe button.
When's
Don't
my
forget.
dad gonna come out of the bathroom?
He's probably still there for another 30 minutes.
What's he doing in there for so long?
I don't know.
Dad, leave me some toilet paper. Okay, guys, that was fun. Thanks for hanging
You
out.
tell me all the time what I'm supposed to say, and you're not even saying it.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks for hanging out. Oh, I wanted to get off before he comes back. Now we're on the... Gotta go.
Nah, we're out. Roll the credits. Guys, appreciate everyone. See everybody later. Bye.
Bye.
The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now.